Hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, May the 22nd, 2020. We have two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. In the additional of today's newspaper, let me see. That is in the additional of May the 22nd. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. So in the additional, there are 5 Sudokus, and the regulars. We have 2 regular Sudokus, so total of 7 Sudokus. But we will start with the first one, the Sudoku with the Sudoku Light. So let's get started. Alright. An 8 in this column, an 8 in that column. So in the column, the last column, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there. But I see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. I cannot continue with the 8. Wow. That is very annoying. Yes. How about the 1? 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, row, 1 in that row, so in the row below or between. The only place for the 1 should be here. And I cannot continue with the 1. Annoying. How about with the 3? 3 in this row, the last row, a 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. A 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. I cannot continue. Oh, yes. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue. Again, where we are not annoying. Let's see with the number. The number 2. No, yes, 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for a 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for a 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for a 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for a 4 should be here or there. But I see here no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. And now how about these 2 numbers missing in this column? The missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 1 number left in the last row for the number 5. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. Then 7 in this row, a 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for a 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so in the second column, the column between, the only place for a 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for a 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. This one is a 7 because we have a 7 there, 7 here. So missing 1 7. I can see. Now we have all the 7s. Alright. 1 box left in the first row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the second column for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 3 goes there. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. And the final number of this big square for the number 8. Finish in 9 minutes. Wow! This Sudoku Light within 10 minutes. Alright. Do you think this is a great Sudoku Light? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it by yourself or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. In a minute, I will continue with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku Heavy. So see you then. Bye bye.